to this episode of Been There, Done That. My name is Patricia Baronowski-Schneider, CEO of Pristine Advisors, investor relations, public relations, and media relations and marketing firm with over 3 decades of experience working in a wide variety of niches across the globe. Today we're going to talk about digital marketing. Market development. The internet has provided you with the opportunity to target more people and even geographical locations. You plan to sell the same products and services to a broader group of people. The internet makes that possible at practically no cost. Now, companies don't have to spend money on building infrastructure or branches. Market segmentation. Targeting a particular demographic in terms of age, gender, location, and more can also be part of marketing development. Marketing position or marketing mix. You may need to look at how you want a different demographic and how they'll see your product or services. Now, product development. Because your medium or marketing has changed or you've added a digital platform to your existing medium, you can continuously develop your product. You can, for example, make variants of the same product. You can also develop related products. For example, if you're, say, a gym trainer, you can offer online classes to reach those who don't live within your current geographical location. Similarly, you can ensure that maybe an ebook format is made as an available option for your novel or nonfiction book. Then you have diversification. This is one of the riskiest among the four. You'll be selling new products and services to a new demographic. This moves into recognition of the fact that your current product and services may not fare well on the World Wide Web. I'll include a little chart here, but it basically talks about market development, diversification, market penetration, and product marketing. And that's basically referred to as the Ansoff matrix. Now, that matrix will help you decide just how much risk you're willing to take on the internet. What you ultimately choose depends on the nature of your existing business, or if you're just about to launch a new business. Choose market penetration if you're going to be selling goods to your existing customers. For example, some people set up websites for their restaurants and fast foods. They're going to be catering to their usual customers, but via a different medium of communication. So they offer an online orders or an appointment system, perhaps both. They may also provide a delivery service. The key that's usually emphasized in this change of strategy is convenience. Everybody wants convenience. Choose market development if you're going to be expanding your horizons in terms of the target geographical locations. You'll still be selling the same products, though. Amazon does it really well, although it limits selling some products within the United States. Smaller shops also focus on selling a particular product, such as clothing, electronics, toys, and then more. Some of these businesses capitalize on the name that they have already built online. They're willing to ship products to places outside their usual coverage areas. Choose product development if you want to offer the same product in a new way. You recognize that the products or services that you provide are not easily accessible by some would-be consumers who are interested in them. As mentioned, gym instructors can choose some of their easily taught exercises and stream them online. They don't expect people to have their equipment at home, so they focus on activities that either don't require equipment or use available ones, such as maybe dumbbells or stability balls. Choose diversification if you feel you need to do more to make your products and services work online. A company that sells paperbacks, for example, they can start selling ebooks and audiobooks to appeal more to the online market. You need a healthy dose of branding to make this move work. So at this point, you may have already zeroed in on the possible marketing move that you need to sell your products or services online. Next, I'll go into detail to help you along with the steps that you have to make and the specific strategies that are suitable for your particular business. So digital marketing strategies. There are countless ways to make your product or services connect to the right people and as many people as possible. Here I'll focus on strategies that you'll need to do most. So A, awareness marketing strategies. These are the digital marketing strategies that simply aim to put information out there. You put together the best feature of your product and services and leave it up to the target audience to make sales conversion begin. Now, here are some terms that you might encounter on your request to become effective digital marketing. Digital marketer, content marketing. Now, some companies already have an online presence. Unfortunately, some of them use their website for stagnant, not dynamic content. The site may just be there waiting for some recognition. You urge people to send you an email or call the number on the page, but that's just about it. As the title of my post says, been there, done that. I can assure you that in my 35 years of working in the industry, I've done it all, and I've learned from many mistakes. I've learned so much, and I can help you do what works best to get your story in front of the audience that matters most to you. Contact me to learn more about my story. You can find out more about me on my website at www.pristineadvisors.com, and that's EDVISERS.com. You can also contact me by email at pbaronowski@pristineadvisors.com. You can reach me by telephone at 631-756-2486. Until next time.